What if I told you that Hollywood's next big director isn't even human? A new AI tool built by OpenAI and unleashed by Higgsfield is changing everything we know about filmmaking. No cameras, no actors, no fancy setup, just your imagination and a prompt. This is Sora 2 Pro, the world's first uncensored AI cinema engine, and it's officially live for everyone. Welcome back to 99 Reviews. I'm Umer, and today we're diving into a platform that's not just another AI toy. It's a full-blown filmmaking revolution powered by OpenAI's Sora technology and made accessible by Higgsfield. In this video, I'll explain what Sora 2 Pro actually does, the new features and creative modes, why everyone's calling it the Hollywood killer, and how you can even win $6,000 using it this week. Earlier this year, OpenAI revealed a model called Sora that could generate realistic moving videos from plain text prompts, but it wasn't public. Only a few people could test it. Then came Higgsfield, one of the fastest-growing Gen AI video platforms with tens of millions of users. They took OpenAI's core technology and made it available for everyone. No region lock, no limits, no waitlist. That's what Sora 2 and the Sora 2 Pro are all about. Unlimited video generation, 1080p cinematic quality, and full creative control inside your browser. Sora 2 Pro is uncensored, so you have full creative freedom. It's unlimited, so you can generate as many videos as you want. And it's global, available to everyone, anywhere in the world. For the first time, the most advanced AI video engine isn't locked behind closed doors. It's open to every creator. Now let's talk about what's new inside the Pro version. Number 1, multi-scene reasoning. Your videos now have true story flow. The AI understands transitions, camera cuts, and pacing between scenes. Number 2, advanced narrative coherence. Characters stay consistent across shots. Clothing, lighting, and emotion carry over naturally.
It's a promise.
Number 3, audio-driven synchronization. Motion, speech, and background music align perfectly. Lip movements match dialogue, and emotion matches the soundtrack. Number 4, 1080p cinematic output for crisp, film-like visuals. And number 5, complete global access with no restrictions. This is the closest thing to a real-time AI film studio we've ever seen. Sora 2 Pro isn't just for filmmakers. Creators can make cinematic reels, viral TikToks, or YouTube shorts instantly. Filmmakers can direct entire short films without a camera or cast. Brands and agencies can create natural product videos using the new product placement mode. Businesses can generate multilingual marketing content at scale. If you can describe a scene, Sora 2 Pro can bring it to life. Inside the platform, you'll find 3 creative modes. Brainrot Mode lets you make fast, meme-style stories in minutes. Perfect for quick viral content. Product Placement Mode helps you showcase brands naturally inside your AI-generated videos. Storytelling Mode gives you precise control over arcs, continuity, and emotion for full cinematic projects. But that's not all. One of my favorite things about Higgsfield is how flexible it is for every type of creator. Whether you're making a quick TikTok, an Instagram reel, a YouTube short, or even a full-length YouTube video, the platform adapts perfectly to your needs. Inside the editor, you can choose both the format and the duration of your video. You can generate clips that are 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds long for fast, social-ready content, or switch to longer formats for full cinematic stories. This gives creators total control when making content across multiple platforms, without needing to rewrite or reprompt every time, and it doesn't stop there. Higgsfield Sora 2 Pro also offers different render modes. You can choose Pro for speed and quality, Max for enhanced realism and motion depth, or Pro Max for the highest quality output with detailed lighting, texture, and scene dynamics. It's like having a personal production studio, but powered by AI. Now let's talk about the visual and sound settings, because this is where Higgsfield gets really creative. In the visual section, you can completely customize how your video looks. Choose from realistic, cartoon, anime, custom, or the default auto mode, which automatically adjusts the style based on your prompt. And for pro users, there are even more styles like cinematic, montage, and magazine-style storytelling, giving you total freedom over the artistic direction. Then, in the sound section, you get equally powerful options. You can pick different types of music, change languages, and even add speech or voiceovers directly inside the platform. If you prefer a specific tone, you can adjust the speech tempo, making your dialogue sound calm, energetic, or cinematic, whatever fits your story best. Together, these features make Sora 2 Pro feel like a full professional studio, where visuals, audio, and storytelling all sync perfectly in one place. So whether you're making quick clips for social media or full-scale short films for YouTube, Higgsfield gives you the tools to make it look and sound exactly how you want. Cinematic projects. Each mode offers a new way to create, whether you're making a short clip or a complete film. Under the hood, Sora 2 Pro runs on OpenAI's video reasoning engine, enhanced by Higgsfield's motion and logic layers. It generates 1080p full-motion videos that understand physics, perspective, and scene context. Audio is analyzed in real time for natural lip sync and rhythm alignment. It also integrates with Soul, Nano Banana, Product to Video, Kling, and Infinite Talk, so you can blend characters, voices, and environments seamlessly. This isn't just AI, it's AI that understands film. And here's the best part. Higgsfield is hosting the Higgsfield Sora Challenge on Instagram right now. You can win $6,000 for the most viral entry, plus $250 each for the top 20 creators. Even if you don't win the top prize, you still get rewards. 10 posts unlock a free Pro plan, 30 posts unlock a free Ultimate plan, and 70 posts unlock a free Pro plan posts. Unlock a free Creator plan. Just post your videos with the hashtag Higgsfield Sora and include the line "Try Unlimited Sora 2 on" at higgsfield.ai. Then submit your post through the Typeform link in their bio. It's open for 1 week only, so don't wait. So there you have it, Higgsfield Sora 2 Pro, the next evolution in AI filmmaking. Unlimited, uncensored, and global. Powered by OpenAI, perfected by Higgsfield. Try it yourself at higgsfield.ai/sora2-ai-video or higgsfield.ai/sora-2-reels. And don't forget the hashtags Higgsfield Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, and Sora AI. This is Umer from 99 Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one, where AI meets imagination.